Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a world's greatest stretch if you have trouble getting up and down off of the floor. Now the world's greatest stretch is a phenomenal exercise to help release the thoracic spine, and if you're someone who works a lot in desks and drives and things like that, then it's a fantastic exercise to really help you with that. Now the issue we have is on the internet. I was trying to put this together for a client for her program on the Strong Confident program, which is my one-to-one coaching. And there was no video demonstrating the world's greatest stretch for somebody who might not be able to get up and down off the floor. And my particular client struggles with getting up and down off the floor. So I thought, well, it just made sense to make this video for you. And that video is coming up right now. Right, so the world's greatest stretch if you can't get up and down off the floor. You're going to need to either be near the Smith machine, which I am here, or you can use other Olympic bars, but be careful because you might end up pulling them off of the little hooks they're in. That's why I like to use the Smith machine, because it doesn't move. You can tug on it, whoops, that did, because I pulled it up, but you can tug on it this way, backwards, as much as you want to without it moving. Now what you're going to do is you're going to set it to about I'm quite flexible, so you want to set it to about hip height or just below. It obviously depends on the ratchets on the Smith machine, but this is a comfortable height for me. Then all you're going to do is you're going to stand with your feet underneath your hips, like so, and then you're going to put one hand on the bar, and you're just going to bend back through your hips like this, as if you're doing a Romanian deadlift. You're just going to hinge back through your hips, like so, and then you're going to put one hand in a dead straight line, so in line with the shoulder. You're not going to come across the body, you're not going to come across like this, you're just going to have it dead in line with the shoulder as you hinge back like so. Then with this hand, you're going to bend it right the way under and point it all the way towards the wall, away from you, and then you're going to rotate up like so, and try and look at it with your hands, sorry, with your eyes, and rotate up, like so. Now you might see my legs, I'm kind of doing a golf swing with my legs. I'm kind of, as I rotate, I'm just transferring the weight a little bit like this. I'm just going to show you what that transfer of weight looks like. You're going to get a big shot of my butt now, but hey, there's worse things in the world. So you're just going to come here, and as I'm rotating, you'll see as I come this way, I straighten this leg, and then as I rotate round, I straighten the opposite leg, like so. And that's it. And then you'll just do 10 on each side, maybe 12 on each side, whatever the prescribed reps are. And that will really help release this upper back and the spine here. And that's the world's greatest stretch if you struggle to get up and down off the floor.